Hey guys, today Olight has sent over their ArkPro flashlight. This is one of the craziest flashlights I've ever reviewed and is my definition of a premium everyday carry flashlight. So let's check it out and just stay till the end of the video because they're doing an insane giveaway that's super easy to join. I'll tell you a little bit more about that in a second. So let's unbox this thing and see exactly what comes in the package. You can already tell it's going to be premium based on the little tears right here. The case also has kind of a leather look to it, which is really nice. But this flashlight you can get on Amazon or on their site. I will have links down below if you end up being interested, but let's take a look at it. So right here we have the control station. It is a nice little wheel here, which has a variety of modes because this also has a UV light, a laser, and a very bright flashlight. So we want to charge to activate before first use, and that is going to be right here. So this is going to use a proprietary charger that comes in this box here. Let's go ahead and get that out. Here it is right here. It goes from USB-A, and then this will magnet onto the bottom just like that. So super simple. Let's plug this in real quick. We get a nice little green light up there, and then it'll just stick on just like that. So we want to go ahead and remove that cover off the flashlight as well. And we'll let it charge for a second. You can see it's showing red right there, so you know that it's charging. And then we'll start taking a look at some of the features. Now that it's charged up, let's take a closer look at the design and some of the features here. If you don't want to use the proprietary charger, it does still have a USB-C, which is good to see. Really good design work. You've got like a bezeled edge right there that looks really good and feels comfortable in your grip. In terms of the main dial right here, guys, you can see you have a UV mode, a floodlight, and then a spotlight. So you switch between those with this little toggle right here. So super easy to do. And what I'll do is I'll show you guys behind me. So let's do the floodlight first. And you can see it's going to light up a pretty big portion of the wall. But then if we double click, that's going to turn on the kind of boost mode. And it gets much, much brighter. Then we can also switch this to the spotlight, and look how dialed in that beam is right there. And if we double click again, we'll go back to the low power mode. One thing to note is that it has a really nice display on here. If I hit it again, you can see the battery percentage there based on those green lines. So super easy to see how much battery you have. The UV light is very cool as well. So let's switch back to here, and I want to zoom this in and you can see what this UV light is like. So here I've got it on the UV light, and you can actually see like things popping up and glowing like hairs and fibers and things like that. So this is actually super handy to have if you do a lot of work that involves a UV light. Love to see that. But this model also has a laser pointer. If you see on the side there, that button right there, that's gonna be the laser. So we'll go ahead and turn this on. This thing is crazy bright. It doesn't show up super well on camera. I mean, you can still see it obviously, but it's very crisp, and I'm in a very bright studio right now. And you can pair this with things. So if we wanna pair it with the UV light you won't be able to see from that far, but we can pair it with the spotlight. So you can see now I've got the spotlight and the laser going. You have all of these different options. So let me tell you guys a little bit about this upcoming challenge. Basically, ArkPro is currently designing their newest generation flashlight, and instead of doing it behind closed doors, they want the public's opinion on what features it should have. So they're giving away over $10,000 in a prize pool to 200 different people. So your chances to win are pretty good. And the good news is it's super easy to join. The only thing you have to do is post either a picture or video to Instagram. Be sure to use the hashtags down below and to tag the ArkPro Instagram account. And then what you do from there is just follow the script of who are you and what features do you want to see from the next generation ArkPro light. So for example, I'm a tech tinkerer and I want to be able to magnet my flashlight onto the bottom of my car when I'm changing tires at 2 a.m. at night, something like that. And let's quickly see my video. I'm about to put one together right now and you guys can see how to join. So let's get into my video. My name's Jack and I consider myself a bit of a tech tinkerer. What I wish the new ArkPro flashlight could do is bend and shine light in multiple directions. So right now, the existing one, you can shine light in one direction. What I would like to be able to do is take my flashlight, magnet it to the bottom like this, and have it shine light at an angle so I can see down here and get to all my wires and stuff. So being able to direct the light in multiple directions, that's what I hope the new ArkPro flashlight can do. So that's it, guys. Pretty simple to join the contest. Just post that in even a photo. It doesn't have to be a video. So post that down there with the hashtags and tag the account. And hope you guys enjoyed. If you're interested in the ArkPro Ultra, this is already a pretty sweet flashlight. I personally like to use it. It's so small you can hold it in your mouth while you're tinkering. So for example, while you're working, it's super easy to do. So I already like this model a lot, but if you want to see something specific on the new one, make sure to tell them on Instagram. And thanks for watching Modern Reviews, guys. I'll see you next time.